Hello students, welcome back. Now we are going to talk about superposition theorem. Superposition theorem is based on the concept of linearity, where we say that if we have independent sources and we have a linear circuit, then using the superposition theorem we can solve our circuit in multiple parts. So for example, if we have this circuit which is having two independent sources, one is a voltage source and one is a current source, and I want to find any of the circuit parameter like a voltage in a branch or a current flowing in one particular branch, then that particular component is basically a linear combination of the contributions from both these sources, and we can find these contributions individually. So in this case we'll have to turn off all the independent sources by keeping only one alive. So turning off means replacing current sources with open circuit and voltage sources with short circuit. So this thing you have to remember, voltage source with short circuit, because zero voltage source means a short circuit will have a zero drop, and zero current means open circuit will have zero current. So now when I consider that 6 volt is active, then my circuit will be this 6 volt is here, then 8 ohm, then 4 ohm, okay, and this current source will be open circuit. And I take this 6 volt, this is 8 ohm, this is 4 volt, and across this I'll say this is my V1. So whatever is the value of V1 that will come because of 6 volt, we will note it down. Then we will redraw this network by considering 3 ampere and disabling 6 volt. So disabling 6 volt means replacing with short circuit. 8 ohm is as it is, 4 ohm is as it is, and here we have the 3 ampere source. So now again I will find out that what is the voltage appearing across this 4 ohm, and we will name it V2. So in the first case, as we can see that V1 will be 4 by 12 of 6, that means 1 by 3rd of 6, that means 2 volt. In the second case, we can see 3 ampere is the total current, something will go here, something will go here. So in the 4 ohm resistor, the current that will come will be 8 by 12 of 3, that means 2 by 3 of 3, that means 2 ampere, and 2 ampere into 4, that means 8 volt. Now we can see that V1 is 2 volt, V2 is 8 volt, and our answer will be 10 volt. Now let us take one more example. Here we have 2 independent sources and 1 dependent source. So please remember, whenever we are disabling the sources, we are disabling only the independent sources. So when I disable this 4 ampere and keep 20 volt, this will still remain. When I disable the other way, it will still remain. So you can see that this is my case number 1, where we have disabled this 4 ampere source from here. So this still remains. And the second case also, we will see that here when we have disabled this voltage source with a short circuit, we have replaced it, this will remain. So I will calculate one input from here, one output component from here, one output component from here, and then we will join both of them and we will get our final answer. So this is an example where you have 3 independent sources. That means we will have 3 equivalent circuits. One, when this is active, this is short circuit, this is open circuit. Second case, this is active, this is short circuit, this is open circuit. Third case, this is active, this is short circuit, and this is also short circuit. So we will have 3 equivalent circuits, we will get 3 values, and finally we will get the total current. So friends, this is about superposition theorem. Keep learning. Thank you.